Hey guys, it's Hassy Trades here, and today in this video I'm going to go over my daily recap. So I'm going to be reviewing my trades for you to help you guys with how you could enter and exit trades. So our top runner today was GCT, which I alerted for a 28 to 27 to 28% move. I also alerted Redu at 8.5% for a move to the upside. FNKO was another great play for me at 11.5%. Again, a really bullish day for us. We went 3 for 3. We only had a maximum risk of 2.5% per trade. So what a day. Our risk to reward was quite good today. Proud of the team today. Everyone banked an amazing day. But let's start off with GCT and why I entered this. First, I looked at the pre-market levels. Again, this is an area of support, pre-market support. Mark the pre-market high, knowing this would be a key level into open. I'll tell you why in a bit. Again, just marking the area of supply, knowing that this is an area we'd react from. So let's look at the 5-minute chart. I alerted this around 2:40 UK time. So I alerted it after we bounced off this area of supply, demand. So once we bounced off the demand zone, pre-market level, I knew that this could be a good entry. And then I switched over to the 1-minute chart. Look for entries to add to my thesis. Let's just find this beautiful chart. So if you look here, guys, yes, this was the level we had entries at. I'll tell you why just a moment. So bouncing off the 5-minute area of again demand zone, added to my thesis. It was a quick nice downtrend break of this 1-minute chart, again showing buyer step in, a change in trend, and just highlighting another area of supply just here. Because this will be my area where I start taking a bit more profits. But knowing that we broke down trend, we bounced on an area of demand in the 5-minute, added to my confluence. Not only that, reclaiming the EMA 9, just this blue line here, we reclaimed this line again, added more to my thesis, and I got a nice entry on this 5.9. Yeah, so I had a really good entry on this. Okay, let me just move this trend line down. So just here, our entry was just here, guys. So if you look in the top right corner, it shows the entry, but just here, in this level here, this is our entry. Broke down trend, reclaimed the EMA 9, and bang. What a goddamn move. What a play. We moved over. Show you guys. Quick moment. What a play, guys. Just show you how much of a beautiful play this was. Let's guess the percentage on this. Just give me a second. I guess it doesn't want you guys to know the percentage, guys. It really doesn't. It really doesn't. Yeah, but this arrow just really doesn't like us, does it, guys? But yeah, 5.9 all the way hit 7.48. So for a 27% move, guys. 27% move. What did we risk here? What level did I look at? Why did I risk so less? So my risk was literally just here, guys. 2%. Come on, guys. A 2% risk. I think it was even lower than that, actually. Let me check the exact figure for my risk. Yeah, it was a 2% risk, guys, on this trade. Why did I risk 2%? I'll just risk the low of the candle. That was my risk. Knowing this, bank, I took that entry. Probably this trade made me a lot of money. We had areas to scale out as well. Of course, we're never going to hold full profit, but it was a really nice move in the Discord group. This was just one of the 3 plays. So yeah, it was a good start we had in the Discord group. Another play I looked at was Veru, a historic runner. Something I played time and time again. But I'll show you why I took this entry. So just switching over to the 30-minute chart, and I'm showing you, giving you confluence and showing you why I took this entry. Again, just making higher lows on the 30-minute chart. Yeah, with Veru being another trade that we took. Again, just looking at this, we were playing supply and demand today. This was an area of demand, bouncing, showing quick buyers step in, hammer candle, doji candle. Again, just a quick wicks back to the upside, showing demand, forming higher lows on the 5-minute chart. Just here, just getting these higher lows in. See, just forming higher lows, showing a nice move to the upside. Again, this just added to my thesis, to my confluence. Also, 5-minute DT break was approaching, downtrend break from this descending triangle. Again, showing buyers stepping in, showing bullish signal to the upside. And then I switched over to the 1-minute, looking for entries. Looking for these entries. It was a beautiful play again. Absolutely love this play. Switching over to that 1-minute chart, looking for my entries. Just give me a quick second. Let me just load this 1-minute chart up. Just here, guys. Just here. That is our 1-minute chart. Again, what a beautiful reflection from the 5-minute, bouncing off this area like I mentioned. We broke this downtrend. I took my entry around 14.6. And once we took our entry, I took it just before the break. I anticipated the break. It's quite a hard skill to learn, to be honest with you. But anticipating the break, and then bang, we went for another amazing move on this, around 8.5% if I'm not wrong. Let's just check. Yeah, around 8.5%, 8.7%. But again, a beautiful move from a simple downtrend break. Again, just playing high time frame to demand zones. Was a nice, easy play on this. And now the final play we took for the day was FNKO for an 11.5% move. I love this. This was my favorite play of the day, even though it wasn't the biggest gain, but I felt like I nailed the TA side of this. Switching over to the daily chart. Let's monitor this chart. So I'll tell you why I like the daily so much. I'll tell you why in just a moment. We had a nice chart on this on the daily. I'll tell you why. Just here. So we had that little gap fill here. If you look here, guys, just that little gap fill on the daily chart. Again, we had another nice area here, 19 area. We showed this chart does have a lot of range. There's not a lot of resistance in this area, so it's a clean chart with that gap fill and forming a bit of a bottom here. The stock is showing that there's a huge bounce incoming based on the previous levels. After that, switching over to the 30-minute, follow the 30-minute chart. Again, like this chart quite a bit. Show you the 30-minute. So look, if you look here, guys, the 30-minute was just forming a rounded bottom, a bullish technical pattern, just bouncing off in previous area. I had this area just to know it, just in case we do reject harsh. Knowing that we forming higher lows on the 30-minute, again added to my thesis. Switching over to the 5-minute chart, just switching over to the time frames and just looking to add to my thesis. And the 5-minute chart is where I really had a more confluence on this play. Again, look, as I mentioned earlier, demand. All I played today was the demand zones. Not only that, what else added to my thesis? An ascending triangle pattern, which you guys should know quite well. But yeah, just here. It's on the 5-minute chart. Just added to my thesis, knowing that we broke. We had to find nice ascending triangle, and we could break out on this ascending triangle. It made me quite bullish on the stock. Added to my thesis, gave me more confluence, which is the main aspect of when trading a stock. You want as many bullish reasons to why you'd enter a stock before you enter a stock. Then I switched over to the 1-minute chart, knowing that the 5-minute ascending triangle forming, and I gave a nice alert on this on the 1-minute chart at 9.13, and it was a beautiful entry from myself. I'll just show you why I entered. But if you guys look just here, give you my entry here. Just switch back over to the 1-minute. We had a nice wedge within this triangle. An amazing wedge. To show you guys, I just need to make the chart a bit more clear for you guys. Just give me a second. So yeah. So if you look here, we bounced off this area on the 1-minute chart as well. Knowing that we're forming an ascending triangle, they're just looking for entries, trying to find any more entry points that I could enter without. So knowing that we bounced here, I looked at this area again, another beautiful bounce, just an absolutely beautiful bounce, forming a falling wedge on this, another bullish pattern once we break, form this wedge just here, and bang, broke, and it was another beautiful move, added to my thesis. The move was amazing. I love this move. This is probably my favorite. Just the way it just grinded to the upside is the perfect play for me. The perfect play. We're still going, after hours. That's the best thing about this play, the fact that we're still going. So just here, if you look, guys. Still going. So yeah, about 13% move, 11 to 13% move. Sold some along the way, obviously. Still holding about 10% after hours. Let's see how it goes after hours, but what a move so far on this. But yeah, these were my 3 trades today. I hope you guys did learn something from this. Just add confluences to your trading. Have your bullish thesis. Stay patient, because that's one of the main reasons to why people fail. Don't FOMO into any trades. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you.